So basically, before meeting Infinite Wealth, I was just saving my money in a high interest savings account, and that's how my future looked financially. It was just saving my money and just getting by, basically. Well, when I went along to the workshop, I was just blown away with all the facts and information that I never even knew about investing in assets. It's not even something I'd considered. Tim was just very straight. It really opened my eyes to how my future might actually look if I continue going the way I'm going. And yeah, so it's great. So initially I was skeptical. I remember first coming along for my financial review, whatever it's called. And yeah, I was doubtful. I was like, oh, I'm not sure if I can trust these guys. You know, you read reviews, there's all these people out there and all these scams. And but my experience throughout the process, Infinite Wealth have just been absolutely brilliant. They've just been 2 steps ahead. They've just been, the communication's been great. I've just got such confidence in Infinite Wealth. Well, it's looking a lot better than it did before I met Infinite Wealth. I now have a house, and I'm saving towards my next house, which will be at the end of next year, hopefully. Oh, without a doubt, I already talk about Infinite Wealth to my work colleagues and my friends. Yeah, it's just been brilliant.